Welcome to our open house. This is our global open house debut. It's particularly made to order for agents who weren't able to make it today, and we've got a wide audience expected. This house hasn't been on the market in many years, and we're happy to be able to introduce it to the world. It has a very high energy floor plan. It's well over 3,000 feet, very private, nice yard, and its location is spectacular. You're only 3 blocks from the middle of the Palisades village. So come on, take a look through. You'll see high quality detailing, really superb fixtures, and an excellent decision on how to get from one place in the house to another. Good flow, indoor and out of doors. So thanks for coming, and we hope you enjoy the tour.